Hey there, my name is Rich and I'm Head of Operations here at Outsourcing Angel. And I want to share here with you the exact process we go through to find your angel. Okay. And so I want to highlight here, and you get access to this page just down below if you want to read more details. But it all starts off with that strategy call. And then what we call the discovery call. We want to help you discover what you need your VA to do. And on top of that, open up new avenues of thinking in terms of what else your VA could do to take off those loads from your plate and passing it over to them so that they can help you and so that you can focus more on doing what you love. Okay. So once we get that narrowed down, we figure out the type of VA that we need. We then go forward and start sourcing them. And there's two areas we source from. We source from our existing talent pool, which are, new, current, or old VAs who have worked with our clients before, but for whatever reasons, their clients had to let them go because of restructuring, maybe coronavirus, maybe, having to close down the business for whatever other reasons, but never about performance. Okay. And if we find someone there, we send them over the details over to you so that then you can book in a time and interview them and see if they're a good fit. If we haven't got anyone in the talent pool at that point in time when you're coming through, then what we go is we go out to the market and we go through our database of groups that we go and reach out to with VAs to connect with, and we source through the CVs and the resumes, and they go through a two-step process to be interviewed by our team, with the first step going through a specific criteria, making sure that they're experienced, and then we check their experience with them, going through their work history. And in the first interview, we call it a type of technical test where we check their computer specs, we check their internet connections to make sure it's enough for them to do their work, and check through, validating some of their work history from there. Assuming they pass that, then they go into the second interview, which is a panel interview performed by our Filipino management team headed by Wendy here, right? And they sit in, they start doing the digital private investigator stuff. They dig in, they go search around, understand the person, the candidate who's applying for the role. And really, we want to dig in deep here to understand what drives them, what makes them want to do this work from home solution, right? What are their skills, and really understanding how do they prepare themselves to make sure that they can fulfill the role that's required. We also try to dig in deep to see if their values align with OA values, because there's specific reasons why we hire the people that we do there. So assuming they pass that, then what happens is you will get forwarded 2 to 3 candidates, right? In those packs, you'll get their CVs, you'll get usually a video of them, explain them and their work history and what they're capable of. And then down the bottom, there'll be a little link, and that's where you click on to interview them. And not only that, we make sure one of our members from our recruitment team is on that call with you to support you, guide you through the process, and then even debrief with you if you're trying to decide between specific candidates. And so once you select your candidate, and if they're a new candidate, right, they're joining the OA family for the first time, our team will do an initial orientation process so they get familiar with OA processes, which are not outside of your own, right? Just to make sure that they know what to do in our side values and what's expected of them when they're becoming an angel with us and with you, right? Not only that, we also do spend a lot of time and resources to support your angel through many things like the annual company trip. We have a hub as well, educational hub, where we share checklists, templates, guides, right? There's many volunteering opportunities as well from here. We do monthly meetups with the teams where they get allocated to a specific team and they do monthly events with each other. There's mentoring, coaching. We offer, Slack chat channels, right? So that they can interact online as well with the virtual community. And after 6 months, when they've been with us as well, we also bring them, the healthcare card to cover their healthcare costs on that side. We also do at times, VA workshops to help them upskill. And then we have a monthly competition so they can engage with the rest of their team members. And, usually we highlight the top 3 VAs of that month and give them some special prizes and bonuses from there. Once you've decided that you're ready and willing to go get an angel, then I recommend booking a discovery call here, because we also have included, once you're getting rolling with us, we support you through the process to the next stage of holding your hand with your VA so that you can grow and build your remote team and have your business run without you, giving you more time to do what you love. So guys, this is Richard. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you soon. Bye.